Hi, my name is Andrew from Jupiter Bike, and today we're going to be unboxing and installing your new Jupiter RipTide electric bike. The first thing we're going to do is open up your new RipTide bike. Next, we're going to remove all the packaging. Once you've removed all the packaging, make sure you have all the parts you see here. The first step is to install the front tire. To install the tire, first we're going to remove the front fork bridge. Next, you're going to remove the nut and bolts from the wheel, leaving one nut on either side, on both sides. And place the tire on the front fork, making sure that the rotor is on the brake side, and the rotor will go in between the brake pads. Next, put the nut, both nuts, but this one fits in the hole. And the bolt. And do the same thing on the other side. Once you have the tire installed, it's time to install the front fork. And it goes through the back part of the front fork. We will remove this screw back here and the screw here on the side of the fork. Pull the prongs forward and install on either side of the front fork. Next, we're going to install the kickstand. To install the kickstand, remove the screws and install on the dropout at the left rear fork. Slide on, align to the screw holes, and screw the screws in place. Next, we're going to install the pedals. Screw it in so it's nice and tight. Then install the right pedal. Our next step is to install the handlebars. To install handlebars, we're going to connect the connectors together. You'll find one blue, two red, and three white. They snap in place. You'll notice on the white ones, there's one with 3 prongs, one with 5 prongs, and the last one with 2 prongs. Once you have all the connectors together, you will slide the handlebar on, aligning all the screws. Once you have all the screws tightened, you're going to lift the riser and snap it in place. The last step is to install the seat. To install the seat, open the latch, slide the seat post in to your desired height, tighten the screw a little bit, and close the latch. It should be tight, but not too tight where you can't close the latch. Before you ride, make sure the power button is on, your tires are filled, you're wearing your helmet, and you're ready to ride. Enjoy your new Jupiter RipTide bike.